In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to count total checked boxes in Google Sheets. If you've ever worked with checkboxes in Google Sheets, you'll know they can be incredibly useful for tracking tasks, creating interactive to-do lists, or managing any number of lists that require a simple yes or no response. But when it comes to pulling data and calculating totals, things might seem a little tricky at first. Fear not. By following this guide, you'll be able to count how many checkboxes are checked using a clever combination of the COUNTIF function within the SUM function. Let's dive right into it. So, what exactly do we need to do? We'll leverage Google's powerful spreadsheet functions to handle this task efficiently. First, we're going to start by typing out the SUM function. Start by clicking on the cell where you'd like your total count of checked boxes to appear. You'll begin by typing an equal sign, followed by sum, and then opening parenthesis. This will initiate our calculation. Now, embed the COUNTIF function within it. Again, type COUNTIF and open another parenthesis. Essentially, what we're doing here is asking Google Sheets to count certain cells based on a specific condition we are about to set. Next, let's discuss what range we need to focus on. The range defines the group of cells that house your checkboxes. For instance, if your checkboxes span from cell A1 to A10, this will be your range. Enter it within the parentheses right after your COUNTIF function. Once you've defined the range, move on to specifying the condition. In the context of checkboxes, these can either be true when the box is checked or false when it's unchecked. Since we're interested in counting the number of checked boxes, your condition should be set to true. Be sure to type true in all capital letters as it's required by Google Sheets. As you finish this up, you'll close both sets of parentheses to complete the formula. Double-check to ensure that your parentheses are correctly balanced, as any error here can lead to a malfunctioning formula. Once you've closed them properly, hit Enter, and voila, you've successfully set up your formula to count all the checked boxes within the specified range. Now, if you want to switch things up and count the unchecked boxes instead, it's straightforward. All you need to do is adjust the condition within the COUNTIF function. Change the condition from true to false and press Enter again. This will get Google Sheets to count how many boxes are unchecked within your defined range. And there you have it, a functional way to track your checked and unchecked boxes easily and effectively. This simple setup can save you time and effort, especially when handling extensive lists. Keep experimenting and see how this formula can fit into other uses you might come across in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.